Okay, I'm not sure how much that last video was seen. I had a message come up that interrupted the recording. But when we're finished with the cal, we see that the float position at dead bottom is minus 6.9 millimeters. I was expecting it to be minus 5.4. That's no big deal at this point because the zero process should correct that. But what I do want to check is when I go to full pressure and I top the piston out, I should move a total of 10.8 millimeters. So let's see if that's true. I've got my handheld. So zoom in here. Come on, focus, and I'm topped out, so I got a bit of a leak. So 4.2 millimeters. And I was at minus 6 point something before, so that looks like a total of 10.8. So I've got the span set. And the last step now is to simply go in and zero out our float position. So we go up here to the zero menu. So calibrate, deploy gauge 1, and click 0. And the process here now is we have to put the piston in mid-float. And when it's in mid-float, then we tell it that, yeah, I'm at 0. Alright, so I'm going to use my handheld adjuster here. It's a little hand pump, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice thing to use for this testing. And I'm going to add some pressure. And we're coming up, so I'm going to spin. Now what I'm looking for is underneath, I'm looking for the score mark. I don't think our autofocus will help me here. But I want to put the piston, the bottom edge of the carrier, right on that score mark. We can barely see it up inside there. So I'm close to dead center right now. And I'm going to go back to the software and hit the OK. Alright, and OK. So now we can go over to compass and look, I'm right at dead nuts center. So if I top this out, I should go to about 5.4 millimeters. Yeah, so 5.2 there. If I vent the pressure, it'd be -5. Alright, so not exactly perfect, but it gets me in the ballpark, and if I wanted to, I can go through and do the zero process again and try to fine-tune this a little bit more.